Listen to me say this word, man. The first sound that you hear in the word man is Listen, man. What is the first sound you hear in the word man? Good. Is the first sound in man. Listen to me say another word, moon. What is the first sound you hear in the word moon? Good. Is the first sound in moon. Let's try another one. Sun. Good. S is the first sound in sun. Now I'm going to say more words. You tell me the first sound you hear in the word. Ready? Laughed. Pine. Skirt. Flag. Rang. Crow. Hide. Lame. Deck. Crab. Bright. Knock. Trash. List. Spring. Chief. Grand. Sweat. Shelf. Herd. Crisp. Plow. Hat. Sad. Swan.